Yo, what's happening guys? Hope you all are doing well. This is Tito back with another video, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Discovery ROM, which is based on Android 8.1, and this is the first build of the ROM. So without further any more delay, let's make it happen. So first, you have to download the ROM and GApps from this XDA thread. All the important links will be given in the description box below, so do not worry. Before proceeding, make sure you have backed up everything from your device, you have officially unlocked bootloader, TWRP recovery installed, and you are doing it on your own risk. So, as you can see, the ROM file is really light in size, just 375 MB, which is really tiny in my opinion for an Android Oreo ROM. Here is the GApps file I will be using for this installation, ARM64 8.1 micro GApps. So as you can see, I am on Nitrogen OS 8.1 right now. So let's boot the phone into TWRP recovery. I will be using latest official TWRP, which is 3.2.1/0 for this time. Once you are booted into TWRP recovery, so now hit wipe, then advanced wipe. Now select cache, Dalvik cache, system and data as usual. Now swipe to wipe. Once done, go back, go to install. Now locate the ROM and GApps file. Select them and swipe to confirm flash. Once done, just hit reboot system and wait for the time being. Here is the boot animation of Discovery ROM. Looks cute though. So once we are booted up into the system, let me complete the setup process. So here we have the launcher 3 as stock launcher of this ROM. These are the stock apps this ROM comes preloaded with. Except for the UC browser and wallpaper app, they are there because I am restoring my Google app data backup. We have Snapdragon camera app here as default camera app, and we have this VIA app. I don't know what it does, so let's open it up. Okay, so basically it's a web browser. Here is the settings of the stock launcher if you are into that. I will be using the modded pixel launcher anyway, so let me install it first. So here is the about section of this ROM for you guys. As you can see, it says Discovery on the top, based on Android 8.1 Oreo with latest January 5th 2018 security patch. Here is the kernel if you are into that. It says Lineage OS kernel, so I am happy with it. Here we have system UI tuner. In here we have status bar icons, and you can customize a little bit of do not disturb, ambient display, navigation bar, lock screen and stuff. Let me go back. Here we have the discovery settings. From here you can customize stuff a little further. In general, we have the 3-finger screenshot gesture, which is awesome. In button settings we have navigation bar tuner. In status bar over here we have double tap to sleep functionality, which works fine. In lock screen, anywhere you double tap it will lock the screen. From notification LED, of course you can customize the notification LED. From normal notification settings, you can hide notification which appears on the lock screen. But do note that here I could not find the option of disabling heads up notification. I even searched for it in the settings, but it's not there, at least as of this build. In sound settings, there is no option to control the vibration, the amount of vibration of haptic feedback. In display settings, we do not have the option to change colors of the UI, which is present on Nitrogen OS, so that's that. Basically, almost pure stock Android experience here. In battery settings, we do have option to enable or disable battery percentage. I'll talk about the battery life later on Twitter, or I'll just link it in the pinned comment of this video, so wait for it. Here is a demo of Geo4G VoLTE calling working.
हिंदी के लिए 2 दबाएं. To continue in English, press 3.
Now let me take some quick pictures with the Snapdragon camera app. This one is without HDR. This one is with HDR. Here is the quick settings panel. You can edit or add some stuff if you want to. And the Android Oreo 8.1 little transparency feature of quick settings panel is present here. And all the quick toggle animations are amazing, as you should expect. Here are the end-to-end Geekbench scores for this ROM if you are into that. And we have the OnePlus 5T like amazing face unlock here, which works pretty well 9 out of 10 times. As you can see, I really am liking it. Let me open a few apps to test out the RAM management of this ROM and see how this ROM handles it. In the meantime, let's talk what's working here. Wi-Fi, hotspot, Geo4G VoLTE, torch, camera, FPC fingerprint scanner, 3-finger screenshot gesture, double tap to sleep, everything is working fine here. And as it's the first build and already most things are working super fine here, so I gotta say I am impressed. It will only get better from here. Well, only thing which doesn't work here is native video calling. So as you can see, this ROM is handling the apps in memory amazingly well. No apps force closed in my testing. I have a 3GB variant of Redmi Note 3 and it's handling apps pretty well, I gotta say. Definitely give this ROM a try if you love stock Android-like experience with little customizations.
So that wraps up this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the big thumbs up button if you like this video and subscribe to the channel right here if you loved my work. This is Tito from KTN Tech signing off. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.